at home with Power BI. I'm Mr. Ibrahim from Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to import a new visualization from xViz. Now, if you're into report designing and you want to add different visualizations in there, give your report a different feel, different look, then xViz with their new visualizations that they've just brought out is quite good. The pie charts that they've brought out and the different ways you can use them, they also have a way to use them in a 3D style as well, and I'll show you in this video. Are you ready? Come and take a look. Let's go. So, the great thing about Power BI is that it has a number of options to display visualizations, whether you want to do a line chart, bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, and that kind of thing. And I've seen reports where it doesn't look like Power BI. I'm looking at the visualization. I said, well, I've not seen these before, so how can it be Power BI that have produced these reports and dashboards? And I keep forgetting that there is an option for us to import custom visualizations, which make the reports completely different. And I think it's one of my favorite areas of Power BI is designing dashboards, especially when they're different from different departments to different organizations. And here I'm going to show you how the xViz visualization, the pine donut one, because they just brought that out and I think it's amazing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to bring it in and just show you how to format it as well. What I've done is I have added the link for the YouTube channel xViz where they show you this as well, but I thought I'd just give you a short video of it. So what we want to first do is go to the visualization pane, go to the ellipsis at the bottom of it, get more visuals, and get more visuals. And what I'm going to type in here is xViz, because they do a number of visualizations, and then go down to Advanced Pine Donut. Add that one in, and that should come in. And what I like about this is that it gives it a different spin. It gives it a few more options, which the one that Power BI currently has, it is unable to show. So let's select it, all right? And I'm just going to go quickly show you a few of the options. Okay, so first of all, I want to put in the manufacturing there, and then let's go to sales. Okay, so from the start, this is the normal donut chart, but as you can see, it's got the usual information for each areas, but it's got a number in the middle, so it's basically telling me this is the total of the sales that I've added in, which doesn't happen on the one that's in currently in Power BI. So what we're going to do is go to the format option in the visualization pane, and they've got a number of different ones that we can show, and I'm just going to show you them now. So we just go down to chart options, then go to chart type, and then we've got donut. So let's have a look at the pie one. So that's pretty much similar to that. You've got the semicircle, got that arc donut, which is similar, and then we've got the one of my favourite, which is the variable pie. So it's basically I need to put a radius in that. So what I'm going to do is go into fields and then put in, let's have a look, units. So look at that, it just gives a different sort of visualization for you there, and I really like it. It's different. It's a pie chart, but it's different. It's basically showing us this is obviously the majority of the sales, but then it's different sections, and it's quite good if we take away kind of the, let's just say the data labels, and we take off title and the legend. There's a legend. So we'll look. Yeah, take off the legend. So I think such a nice visualization there that we've got. And then if we just say, let's go to data labels, let's put them on for a second. Let's put back in here and we'll say, right, okay, I just want the data value, so we can change this. Obviously, we can in the other ones, but we can change this around, and quite nice. And it's one of my favorite visualizations. And that does not look like the standard donut charts that we have in Power BI. It's different, and we can show this in our reports and dashboards as well. Let's have a look at another one. Another one that you can do is the style of it as well. So if you go to styling, and we have these different ones. So we've got vertical lines, you've got, okay, so if we just do it this way, so if we go front slash, but then we go styling for all, it does it for all. So as you can see now, get different textures. So let's do the diamond. Let's do the dot one and do dots. So yeah, different styles for you to do, which is great. So what I'm going to do now is show you different ones. So if we just go back to pie chart, I have to take out the units first. So that's a normal pie chart. And what we can do as well with this, we can do a 3D, which I'm not too keen on, to be honest. But let's have a look at the style. So we've got a 3D version there now. Which again, I mean, if you like it, it's you can add it in there. But the point is that you're able to mix and match. You can do different ones, different pie charts, and it shows, you know, as long as it's showing you the right information, important, and it's clear, then why not? Let's have a look further down. We've got quite a few numbers. So I've taken the legend off that thing, and then your title, bring that back in if you want. So they do have ranking as well, which we're able to do by, let's say, top 3. So it'll tell us what the top 3 are, and then it'll tell ever, you know, show us what the rest are. So these are the top 3, and then this is others. So it has that option as well. It does support tooltips as well. So if you wanted to bring a tooltip in here, that will support it. It does have the option for you to add one in there. And yeah, so custom visualizations bring different aspect to your report, make it look different, and that's what essentially what the client wants. Is they want the report to look good, and I think custom visualization brings that for you. So make sure you put your practice in, explore the different visualizations it has, and start using them in your reports. It's the only way I can say it. And sooner or later, you'll find a number of favorites of yours, which you'll probably use in more than one report. But you kind of get a theme, and you'll know where you want to go, and you know how you want to do your reports and dashboards going forward. So that's it, xViz. Follow them on YouTube. They do have a number of other visualizations as well, so it's worth having a look at them. And yeah, and if you've got any questions, please leave a message below or get in contact with me. But again, thanks for watching, guys. At Home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.